Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In this review, I'll demonstrate how to set a proxy in ScrapeBox SEO software. Let's get started. Open ScrapeBox. Activate the Use Proxies option located at the bottom left of the screen. Click Edit below the field where proxies are displayed to either set new proxies or edit existing ones. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will set new proxies. A window will appear for setting the proxy. If you are using free proxies from the internet, set them in a format IP, port. If you have a personal proxy and need to set a username and password, add to tags at the top for username and password under the authentication section as shown on the screen. Below the tags, set the proxy data in the following format: IP, port, username, and password separated by a colon. Once everything is set, click Save. Congratulations! You have successfully set the proxy. In the workspace where the proxy section is, you can see that the proxy is now set and ready for use in your work. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you on the next video.